Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana, and today we will discuss about the syllabus for TCS BPS hiring. But before moving further video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar if you have not done yet. And if you are new to the channel, then we are Jobkar, and we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation tips. So if you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share, and subscribe to Jobker, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video, and we will discuss syllabus for TCS BPS hiring test, and this will be basically on a written test. And for further interview process, I will make videos in future. Till now, they have not announced the date for the test. Recently, I have uploaded a video for this hiring in which 2020, 2021, and 2022 batch are eligible from art, commerce, and science graduates. So many courses are eligible. If you have not applied for this job yet, then if you are one of the 2021, 2020, 2022 graduates, then do check that video out. I will provide the link in the description box, and you can get the link in the I button also. So no, do watch that video first, and then continue with it with this video. And if you have not applied yet for that drive, then register now, because the registration are open now, but that can be closed anytime. Okay, so do apply as soon as possible, and then start preparing yourself with the assessment. Okay, so uh, we will discuss the syllabus for TCS BPS hiring today. So basically, after registration, they will send you a mail with the details of your written test. Written test will be online, that will be from comfort of your home, and for that you should have a laptop with working webcam and microphones. Okay, so if you don't have a laptop, or if you don't have a working laptop with microphone and webcam, then do arrange that first. Okay, because they can announce dates any soon. So just be prepared with your needs, whatever you need, and you should have a good internet connection also for that. Okay, and now in the written test there will be no coding asked. There will be only three sections in your written test, that will be numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. These three sections will be there. Now for further, you can expect this test to be just like NQT, because TCS is going to make this test. Okay, so you can consider this to like all these same questions or same topic can be asked just like NQT cognitive assessment. If you have attended NQT cognitive assessment, then you should have idea about what type of questions they ask, what type of interface they have. Okay, and if you have not attended any time, then on the TCS NQT portal there will be a mock test available, so you can take that mock test, and that will give you idea about the interface of exam. And when you know the interface of the exam, then this is really good, because at the time of exam you will be familiar with that, so you will not have any confusion about it. Okay, now uh, these three sections will be asked. We have discussed that numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. Now for next, there will be three sections in which from numerical ability there will be 26 questions, and the duration for this will be 20 minutes. Next section will be verbal ability, and 24 questions will be asked for this, and the duration for this will be 20 minutes again. Next is reasoning ability. Number of questions will be 30, and time allotted will be 25 minutes. So in total you will have 80 questions, and you will have 65 minutes to complete all three sections. Okay, now If I talk about NQT, so the level of NQT is higher if from BPS, because you can understand this by this point that if you compare this with numeric NQT, then you will understand that the time duration for NQT is much more than this. And in this BPS hiring syllabus, the time duration is very less. Like for 26 minutes, you are 26 questions, you are getting only 20 minutes. Okay, so the question, like the toughness of questions will not be there. They will ask very basic questions, very easy questions, easy to medium questions will be asked. Okay, so if you want to crack this hiring, then this is gonna really easy for you, because the questions will be very easy and there is no coding ask. And as they are hiring for art and commerce student, then in the interview also they will not ask any technical questions. Okay, the interview will also be like a non-technical kind of interview, so you can easily crack that by just preparing yourself with the interview and written test. Okay, so if you are preparing, if you are thinking of cracking this test, then do prepare these three sections only. Now we will discuss some of the topic. By preparing these topic, you can easily crack this test. Okay, from the numerical ability, you can prepare number system, arithmetic, then elementary statistics and data interpretation. You should focus on these topics. Other than that, you can prepare probability and work and time, work and time and work, and speed, distance, these type of topic. But mainly, you need to focus on these. After preparing these topics, you can go sometime do like give some time to another topics also. Okay, main topic will be these, and the difficulty of questions will be easy to medium, so they will not ask very difficult questions. Okay, now for verbal ability, there will be English grammar, so they ask grammar and reading comprehension. So in the English grammar, you can expect fill in the blanks and odd man out type of questions, and sentence rearrangement, and these type of questions you can ask in English grammar, and then reading comprehension. Okay, now if I talk about reasoning ability, so the topics will be identifying word and numeric patterns, problem solving, figural and factual analysis, decision making, and propositional reasoning, and visual and spatial reasoning. So if I talk about reasoning ability, then in case of NQT also the questions are very easy. So in the BPS hiring also they will ask very easy questions in case of reasoning ability, and as they are providing less time, then they will ask all three sections will be from easy to medium. Okay, so if you are planning to crack, then do prepare yourself. Now if I talk about the questions and the practice, so you can prefer to go to indiabix.com and prepare your like practice questions from there also. And you can prefer our videos which we upload on daily basis for the logical reasoning and numerical ability, and also there are some videos for verbal ability. However, for the verbal ability there are less videos, but you can refer them if you want to crack. Okay, that will definitely gonna help you crack the test, because those are the questions from previous years. Okay, and when you prepare previous years questions, so only the data will be changed. Other than that, questions will be almost the same, and you can expect so many questions repeating from the last year. So you can practice with all the videos we are uploading, and we have already uploaded on our channel, so do refer that. Other than that, if you have time after India Bix and videos on Jobker for logical reasoning and verbal ability and numerical ability. You can search on internet for the for all the questions, so that you are prepared with so many practice. Okay, because the whatever practice you do, that will help you at the time of exam. Okay, so this is all the tips now. Yeah, this is all about the TCS BPS hiring syllabus and the tips to crack it. Now, if you have any doubts in it, then you can comment me down. So I will be really happy to help you, and we reply to all the comments. So don't worry, your comments will be seen and will be replied. And yeah, this is all for this video. One more thing, guys. If you want me to use the mixed language, that is Hindi and English, then do comment. If there are anyone who is not comfortable with all the English, then I will definitely try to speaking Hindi also, because in my previous some of the videos I tried, but now I want to ask you guys if you want me to do that or not. Okay, so comment if you are not comfortable with full of the English. Okay, and comment if you have any doubt with TCS BPS hiring, and if you want me to cover any of the topic from this TCS BPS hiring, if you are preparing for that, or if any one of you comment that prepare made this video, then I will definitely cover that topic also, because we are here to help you, so you should get help. Okay, now this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker, so that you never miss any update, and hit the bell icon. And please like, share and subscribe, guys, because we are trying really hard. So please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.